Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Popular entertainment blogger Musa Kaula has made serious allegations against influencer Mihlali Ndamase. He said that Mihlali is in a relationship with a married man who's known as Leroy Sidambe. He further went on to allege that his wife, Mary Jane Sidambe, moved out of her husband's house after discovering that her husband is having an affair with Mihlali. Musa wrote this on Twitter, you guys. Leroy Sidambe is rumored to have left his wife, Mary Jane Sidambe, for Mihlali Ndamase. Mr. Kaula released this receipt of furnitures worth over 9,000 rands with Mihlali's personal numbers and home address, which was allegedly found by Mary Jane, and the furniture was purchased allegedly by Leroy Sidambe. This post was later removed by Twitter because it violated Mihlali's right to privacy. Musa also released a video of Mihlali Ndamase and captioned the video as Mihlali Ndamase took to her close friends to share that she is in love and seeked advice. Mihlali Ndamase is heard saying that her boyfriend wants to go with her to his mom's Thanksgiving event while she had plans to go to the Casper Nyovest boxing match. Check out this video, you guys.
Anyway, as I was saying, I had to take off my shirt, guys, because I just spilled coffee on it. So childish. But anyways, this morning my black is getting ready for work. I came out to the sun and awake, came open for skimos. I folded my shirt, yeah, I can't. Oh, God, like, guys, and I turned that into thanking man. He is just, wow, I love him. He is so amazing. I don't know what to say. I don't even know why I'm talking about him here, but like, I just can't not share. You know when something makes you so happy, you just want to tell the world about it? Like, guys, I'm on the podcast just to talk about how much I love my man. You guys, I'm gonna go shower now, but I wanted to quickly ask you for your advice, Nam. I was invited to this fight that's happening in Sun City weeks ago. Weeks ago, I was invited, meaning I don't have to pay for anything, I'm being accommodated, Casper's even providing transport. And I confirmed my attendance. Now my Black King's mom, she's not really her mom, but like someone that I guess mentors him in a way, is having a Thanksgiving this Saturday as well, and he wants me to be his partner. As in, he even wants us to drink some matching outfits, which is so cute. I've never done that before. But anyways, now I'm just like, oh my God, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I really don't want to be an asshole and part of Casper's thing, but I also really want to support my Black King. I think maybe I'll do Saturday with him and then go to the actual fight, because I think the fight is actually on Sunday. So I can travel to Sun City on Sunday morning. Nah? What do you guys think? Can you send man, give me any advice? Nobody doing.
And it turned out, you guys, that the Thanksgiving event that Mihlali was talking about in the video was actually Mam Kiz's, which took place on the 9th of April. Check out this snippet video. Musa also reported and shared, of course, that at some point, Leroy Sidambe once purchased the same outfits for his wife Mary Jane and also his side chick, you guys, Mihlali Ndamase. Wow. Drama, drama, drama. Also, a video of Mihlali Ndamase at a club was leaked while she was busy arguing with the businessman Leroy Sidambe. It is not known who leaked that video, you guys. Now check out the video and please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Here's the video.